Hello and welcome to Trains and Viettic. As I said in the last video, I'm doing the build of this model in a separate video. I will apologise about the camera angles. This is due to me trying different angles with the camera. I've been trying a multi-setup thing, but I'm not sure how well it worked. But here's the build. And here's the model finished. Like I said at the beginning, I do apologise about the camera angles. I'll be trying something next time on my next builds. I'm trying to get multi-angles because I feel with a single angle I'm missing stuff, but it's just trying to get everything to work properly. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want to see my review of the video, please click on the link and it will take you to the previous video, which is me reviewing this. Again, I do apologise about the camera angles. Thank you for your time. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment and tell your friends and share. See you next time. Richard.